Hello, welcome again. In this tutorial we will finish our TableView application. So we created table and table columns. Now let's employee table.get columns dot add all. Okay, we will add all the columns here. Last name call, first name call, last name call. All the columns are added to employee table, and in the grid pane we have to add the table. The grid pane dot add employee table. It will be set in column index 2 and row index 1. Okay, now we have to populate the list view, leader list view. Leader list view dot get leader list view dot get selection model selected dot get selection model dot selected item. From this that means we are getting the selection model of the list view and selected item property, and we will add a listener to the selected item property. Add a listener. Add listener. Okay, what we can do, observable value we can use. Observable value. Okay, observable value extends person, extends person. Okay, observable person old value person new value. So our observable now is extending the person. Okay, because we will use person as Java bean in our table view. So now we will use lambda expression. Something is wrong. JavaFX.beans.value.observable value. So what is it saying? Observable value. No suitable method found for add listener. Selected add listener. Validation listener is not applicable. Okay, let's finish it first. If observable not equal null and observable not get value dot get employees. observable.get value not equal null. Then what will you do? Employees. First of all, if there is anything in the employees list, we will clear that. Then employees add all observable get value dot get employees. Okay. Now it is done. Leader list view dot get selection model dot selected index property. Here is the mistake. Selected item property. Okay. So old value is not needed. Stage.c. Let's say everything is everything fine. Leader list view. Have we added the FX collections leader list view leaders? Okay. Observable list, we will get people. Using the get people method, we will get the employees, the persons that we have created. Now let's run the application. See, we have a list view in the left column. We have two columns actually. First column label is boss, and in the column index 0 row index 0 label is boss, there is a label, and in the column index 0 row index 1 there is a list view, and in column index 1 row index 0 there is a label employee, and in column index 1 row index 1 there is a table. Table has three columns, as I have said: alias, first name, last name. Okay, three columns. Now let's select a boss. If I select the boss, what will my code do? It will go to, where is that? It will go to this portion of the code. Get selection model, selected item property, add listener. With that selected item, a listener is added, and my observable now extends person, and my values, old value, new values are also now values of old values of person, new values of person. So if there is something in the person old value, person means the new old boss. Old boss has some employees. If I click new boss, then old boss's employees will be deleted by this code employees.clear, and new employees will be added for new boss. Okay, this is actually being done. And how the persons are being added to the cells, table cells? See, now I have created employee table, and employee table I have set the items to employees. Fine. But how all the columns are getting the perfect values? Alias is getting alias, first name is getting first name, last name is getting last name. Actually I am using JavaBean, person as JavaBean. See, I am using the cell value as alias name. Okay, I am using cell value as alias name. See here in the Java class that we have created, string property name is same as alias name. This same. For if I change it, for example, let's make it A. You will see that. Let's run it again. Property value factory. If I run this, get alias name. Okay, it's working fine, no problem. Alias name, that means it's not case sensitive. Let's make it different. Alias name column dot self factory new property value alias. Okay. Now you see that though it is not showing case sensitive thing, if you change the name, then the alias column is getting actually null because it is not finding the value in the Java bin. Replace it with alias name. So I am giving the same name so that it can get the values from Java bin and place in the table. Okay. See, if I take mouse on a particular name, it shows mountain biker. It shows the alias name of this boss as tooltip. Okay, it shows the alias boss as tooltip. This was the job of my tooltip here, where I actually added the tooltip. Okay, so this is how table view is being populated. We already talked about list view, how list view is populated. It has got the items from get people method. It has got the items, and as the items are actually object, so I am setting the cell factory, set cell factory, and in the cell factory, what is actually being done? The cell will contain the value in the format I have given it. How I am giving the format? Set text item dot get first name. For example, I give a text here. Now let's see what's shown in the output. See, Max is boss. All the boss is added to the column. That means these values are coming from here. Cell values. Otherwise, if I didn't specify my own cell factory, person is not a string. So how will it add it? It's not a string, or it's not what is called other values that it can be directly used, or primitive values. So I have to specify that. And here is the tooltip of the set. Set tooltip. I have created a tooltip object, and that tooltip text is set to alias name. If I set it another text is a boss, the output will see that the tooltip properties will be changed. For example, now I am taking mouse, mountain biker is a boss. I am taking mouse on another boss, magneto is a boss. Okay, this is how it's being done. Date item. So I hope it's clear. If you have further confusion, you can ask in the comment. I will try to clarify your queries. Thanks all. Our list view application the table view application is complete. In the next tutorial we will start something new. Keep watching. Thanks for now.